If you are searching for a new and untouched niche, then look at this channel. It is very popular and makes huge money by creating viral car restoration videos. Now, you may think of how we can create this kind of car restoration video. It needs a huge amount of money and technical knowledge. What if I told you that you could create a 15-minute viral car restoration video without ever touching a single wrench? No garage, no tools, no actual car, just AI. Yes, you can. And today, I'm going to share the method. So let's dive in. Usually, car restoration video making needs huge resources and technical knowledge. But today, we are going to make a full video using only AI. I will walk you through step by step, so subscribe to our channel and start our journey. To create the video, I will follow 4 steps. Choose the model, generate the prompt, generate the video clips, and finally, assemble them using a video editor. Let's start with the car selection. I mean the car model and the year. If you already have a car image, then it will be great. However, you can start with just the car name or model. For example, I want to make a restoration video of a 1957 Kinsmat Chevrolet Bel Air car, which is found in a swamp. You can choose any car. Okay, our car is selected, now it's time to generate the prompts to generate the video clips. Before going over there, let's introduce you to an amazing platform where you can create some real money with your AI creativity. I am talking about Fanvue. It's an AI-powered subscription-based social platform, the best alternative to OF. Here you can monetize your AI-generated or realistic content and earn money from subscriptions. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics, all in one place. To start your money-making journey with Fanvue, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with Fanvue. And that's it. You are now a Fanvue creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, now let's get back to the car restoration video generation process. We selected a 1957 Kinsmat Chevrolet Bel Air car. Now it's time to generate the detailed prompt for every scene. To generate the scene, I will use Google AI Studio. Once you are on the Google AI Studio interface, come to the left side panel. Here you will find a few options. Select the System Instruction option. Now, here we have to enter a prompt guide so that Gemini can generate detailed prompts. I am entering the prompt guide. You may find it very complex. Don't worry, you will find the prompt guide in the description. Just copy the prompt guide and then paste it here. Once the system instruction prompt is ready, come to the text box. Now, we have to enter the video idea. For example, I am typing, restoring a 1957 Kinsmat Chevrolet Bel Air car found in a swamp. After entering the topic, hit the send button. Now Gemini will analyze the prompt and video topic and then start creating the prompts. It will work in 3 steps. First, it will create the scene description. You can see that it's creating the scene description. This is the first part of the scene description. If you want to customize any scene, you can ask Gemini to do so. If you are satisfied with the result, just type continue and then hit the send button. The second part of the scene description is ready. Now, in the same method, generate all the scene descriptions. Once all the scene descriptions are ready, Gemini will turn all the video prompts into JSON format prompts. Just type continue and click on the send button. Gemini will handle the rest. So, here it is. All the scene video generation prompts are ready. Now, we need to create the video. You will use Google Veo 3.1, Sora 2, or any other good quality video generator to create the video. I will use Google Veo 3.1 to generate all the videos, and I will access Veo 3.1 on Google Vids. So, open a new tab on your browser and search for Google Vids. Once you are on this page, click here, and you will be in the Google Vids dashboard. You will find several options to create the video. I am selecting Google Veo 3.1. Okay, now, come to the left side where the AI video clip generator exists. First of all, select the mode between Create from Scratch and Animate the Image. The Animate the Image option is to turn any image into a video clip. As we don't have any image, I am selecting the Start from Scratch option. Next, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I will simply copy the very first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio between landscape and portrait. After that, you can enter ingredients or reference images if you want. Once done, hit the Generate button. Now, we have to wait for some time. I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. This is a really amazing video. The quality, realism, and vibe, everything is just perfect. This is all about the prompt. Okay, our first scene is ready. Now, click on the Insert option to place this video into the timeline. After that, click on the plus icon here to create the second scene. Once the scene is created, come back to Google AI Studio. Copy the second scene prompt. Now we have to replace this prompt with the first one in the Veo 3.1 prompt box. I am replacing the prompt. Once done, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this video. This is a perfect continuation of the first scene. I like it. Click on the Insert button to add the video clip to the timeline. Once done, create the third scene, copy the third scene prompt from Google AI Studio, replace the prompt with the existing one, and then generate the video. Once the video is generated, place it in the timeline. Now in the same method, generate all the video clips and then place them into the timeline. For tutorial purposes, I won't create all the scenes. You can create all 125 scenes to create a 15-minute long video. Okay, all of our video clips are ready and placed into the timeline. Now you can add text, music, add transitions between the scenes. This is a perfect basic video editor. Once your video is ready, simply click on the File option from here and then select the Download MP4 video option. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look at it. This is simply great. So, now you can also create this kind of amazing car restoration video using AI. No more technical knowledge is required. So, if you want to start your own car restoration video channel, don't forget to try this method. And yes, check out DFans if you want to make some real money. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know what car you're going to restore first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go out there and create something amazing.